Well, back from shopping, and I loaded up the bike bag, and that thing on the back carrying rack is a pillow. Not as extreme as last time. See link or card in the top right corner. That's right. Back on the bike, rolling down out of the parking area of IKEA. 14:41 on my watch. Into the sunshine and back on the road. Well, like I showed you, I bought a pillow, also pillow cover, which was quite small and able to fit in the bike bag. There was room. I'm doing something wrong, but well. And I put the pillow with some packing rope on the back of the bike rack, so I don't have to carry it. Always much easier. Otherwise you would have to carry something in your hands, and we have one hand on the handlebars, which I don't prefer. Not all that expensive, by the way. The pillow was $12.95 or so, and the cover was $2.95 something. It's not a normal cover from cotton fabric, but a little padded cover. And I thought to myself, let's invest in a new pillow. My old pillow is worn, wasn't the best quality, and that showed after a few years. So go a little bit over this industrial area, not much houses here, but only industrial buildings like factories, and also a big home improvement store, Bauhaus. We will be there in a minute. Not going to go inside, but I will point it out. There's a thing called the Molenstreek. The problem with the Molenstreek is there are, like you can see, bikes going both ways, but sometimes it's very troublesome for cars. Well, there's the Bauhaus store to the right. Let's show you with the camera to the side a little. By the way, you're currently in part 2. If you did not catch part 1, see link in the description box in the top right corner. The card. Let's see if we go this way where we end up. Next to me, to the left, the Southern Ring Road, which is overhauled. They're actually building a new ring road next to the old one and then demolishing the old one, so the ring road is going to move over a little. Built in 1969 that is. Built completely new, but now they have to keep the old road, the traffic running on it, and building a new one. That's a bit of a challenge. They could not close it off because then all traffic would be, well, blocked and could not go anywhere. Because the Southern Ring Road is also the main artery to when you go from like Leeuwarden to, let's say, the German border. Then you go over the A7, the A7, And that's also the main road, so you cannot close off a main road. Probably now on the Europaweg, well, I'm sure on the Europaweg. The casino building, made a whole report from it. Also see card in the top right corner about that. Building is wrapped in gold foil actually. And here the kitchen, Mandenmakers, kitchen boulevard, or boulevard as we say in Europe. In England, America, boulevard with a D pronounced very strongly. Boulevard. There's like ice skating rink with a pronounced K on the end. We normally say ring, like a schaatsring, and we don't pronounce a K on the end. But they do. Traffic light on red, so stop. Have house in front of me, apartment buildings. It looks like a top apartment building is, I don't know if it's in view, but penthouse probably. Some time to for the light to turn on green. Traffic to that side, and it looks like other traffic is going to move before I am. Yes, it is traffic from that side, from the right. It's green, so move. A little bit uphill, so a little bit of a push on the pedals. Let's go home ASAP, otherwise I will be riding around with a pillow on the back of my bike, and it's fixed on there, but no need to ride around with that stuff. And I do have more to do at home, so turn into here so I don't have to wait on the traffic light. I have to go this way anyway, so let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's take the first street to the left. So move over a bit, move to the left, and turn here, indicate again, and stop, see if there's traffic coming. Yes, there is. A lot of traffic, it is. Look at it. And move over this part and then move along. And then we get over this part. And what is this straat? Professor Rankestraat. Oh, I know this street. Many years ago I had a girlfriend who lived here this street, and I'm not sure which building, but let's have a look. Could have been over here somewhere. Well, not sure. Oh, done something wrong. Into de Gerbrand-Bakkerstraat. And you ask me who is Gerbrand Bakker, I have no clue. It's all built in, I think, the 1920s. It's quite old. It's over 100 years old. 102 actually. Or maybe it's built in the late 1920s, then it's of course not 100 years old, but close to. Man. In a car turning the corner that side, that is, the whole of his rear wheel was on the sidewalk. And it's time to get a test at the local DMV. At least he was not racing his car. Let's go to this street, which is called AP Fokkerstraat. And also I don't know who AP Fokker is, I can assure you. Also looks like a house is built a long time ago. Nice facades, by the way, if you can see the decor on there. I think this Amsterdamse school, what it's called. It's very nice. take a turn onto here. No, let's not do that, let's go straight. Otherwise I will have to drive around another bridge again. Let's take the direct way with the bridge in a route I know. Traffic lights, let's stop for it. Although there's no traffic at all here, most useless traffic light in the world. They figured out that I'm here and it turns to green. All very nice. Crossing the road. And then we're almost back where we started, in the Diephuisstraat. Or Diephuisstraat I think. Or Diephuis. Well, when I get home, I think I deserved a little drink. When I stopped at IKEA, the parking lot, the bike park, I had refreshments in a can, but I'm already having a dry mouth. So let's end the video here. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the videos. If you're not a subscriber yet, I don't know how that happened, but subscribe. And I will see you next time. And of course, like always, be safe out there.